Discover the science behind a pendulum's motion. Imagine a pendulum swinging back and forth, hypnotizing you with its steady motion. But it's more than a mesmerizing object. It holds the secrets to the laws of physics. In this video, we'll explore how a simple swing unlocks concepts like gravity, energy, and rhythm. As the pendulum moves, it transforms potential energy into kinetic energy, demonstrating the constant exchange of forces. Gravity pulls it downward, while inertia keeps it moving. This remarkable balance reveals how energy behaves in nature and teaches us concepts used in clocks, engineering, and beyond. Ancient scientists studied pendulums to measure time and understand motion. These principles later shaped the evolution of modern physics and engineering. Today, observing a pendulum is still one of the easiest ways to dive into the fundamentals of science. Watch closely as students in the video observe the pendulum swing. Their curiosity mirrors your own. This simple experiment can inspire you to ask, why? A question that forms the foundation of all scientific discovery. Learning comes alive when we examine the world around us. Get inspired by the beauty of motion. Don't just watch. Grab a string and wait to make your own pendulum at home. Experiment, observe, and share what you discover. Remember, every great scientist starts with asking one simple question: how does it work?